Have you been struggling to find time to make healthy meals within your busy schedule? Well, Nature's Purpose has the solution. This local meal prep source is guaranteed to become your next favorite obsession.
Hey, what's happening, guys? My name is Mikey. I am the owner of a business called Nature's Purpose Meal Prep here in Tempe. We do individually packaged meals ordered online through our website, and they're delivered directly to customers' houses, their offices, or their gyms. We have two different menus. We have the clean menu or the organic menu. We have 75 meals across both of those menus. And the clean menu is all natural, no seed oils, made from scratch. And our organic menu is the top of the top. It is 100% all organic, grass-fed, wild-caught, pasture-raised, everything from scratch, no seed oils. The top of the top, no compromises, absolutely no shortcuts. The vision of the business was to create healthy meals for busy people around the valley, from athletes that are in college to athletes that are, busy entrepreneurs like myself. Everyday grinders. We started this 8 years ago with a vision to take care of the valley and feed the valley with healthy food. And we've done nothing but grow for 8 years, and I think it's only up from here. For today, we have 4 menu items from our clean menu. This is our Chicken Enchilada Bowl, our Chicken Eggroll Bowl, the Chimi Steak Bowl, as well as our Mac Attack. We are featuring today 2 meals from our organic menu, the Pioneer Steak and the Pioneer Chicken. Both meals have roasted potatoes and roasted carrots. The chicken has an organic chicken breast, and the grass-fed steak is an organic ribeye. Both meals are topped with our organic truffle aioli, and these are our top 2 selling meals, so you're gonna enjoy them. You're gonna love them. I think everybody in the valley should try Nature's Purpose because we bring variety, flavor, and convenience directly to your door and help you eat healthy 24/7. All you gotta do is go onto our website, npdelivered.com. You can order meals this week before Thursday at noon. We'll deliver directly to your door on Sundays and Mondays. Get some healthy meals in your life. Make it a great one.
Whether you're planning on devouring the Pioneer Chicken or the Mac Attack, Nature's Purpose guarantees a complete and healthy meal delivered right to your door. So head to their website to place your order and get the fork out.